I fucked that was a weird burp. Broken hearts can take I have a toothbrush in my bag. I'll go from fries on guys on McDonald's because they still selling pies on City won't be full of five guys on yes I'm fire a little different shit on your bitches step back in my trainer shit who's this he should be in cockpit cause I'm I just have raw meat on my hands.
Fucking ads.
When it's all on the line. Handle after your meat. Oh, you're so fucking nasty.
No, the gas level. What is that?
Y'all like my crotch? Okay, they can probably hear it now if it's over here. One of these days, that burp's gonna be throat.
That one was close. Hey, hold on. Okay, hold on. I can do so much better, but I just ate and I can feel the clumps coming on my throat.
This is how I feel I'm at the golf course.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Oh, shit, that's water.
Isn't it attractive?
I know customers.
I can't do it anymore. Hold on. Mine or yours?
Oh, that's yours. I was drinking it though.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Oh, shit, that's water. I don't want it. We gonna go. Rather it be 70, yeah. That was hot. Ever had a Periscope too? No.
I used to.
Okay, me too. Okay, no.
That was really shitty.
How